The following is some interesting building code information regarding a fireplace damper. R1001.6. The cross-sectional area of the passageway above the firebox, including the throat, damper, and smoke chamber, shall not be less than the cross-sectional area of the flue. R1001.7.1. Damper. Masonry fireplaces shall be equipped with a ferrous metal damper, located not less than 8 inches, or 203 millimeters, above the top of the fireplace opening. Dampers shall be installed in the fireplace or the chimney venting the fireplace, and shall be operable from the room containing the fireplace. G2427.13, 503.13. Manually operated dampers. A manually operated damper shall not be placed in the vent connector for any appliance. Fixed baffles shall not be classified as manually operated dampers. NFPA 211.9.9.3. Manually operated dampers shall be permitted to be installed in the chimney connector of hand-fired solid fuel-burning appliances, provided such dampers do not obstruct more than 80% of the connector area. So here's an example where we have a conflicting code, and in this, the IRC code would govern. Manually operated dampers shall not be placed in vent connector appliances. NFPA 211.9.9.1. Manually operated dampers shall not be placed in chimneys, vents, or connectors of stoke-fired, liquid fuel-burning, or gas-burning appliances. 11.2.9.2. Dampers shall be installed in the fireplace or at the top of the flue venting the fireplace and shall be operable from the room containing the fireplace. 11.2.9.3. A non-ferrous metal damper shall be permitted to be installed at the top of the flue specified in 11.2.9.2. 11.2.6. Accessibility. For cleaning purposes, means shall be provided for access to the venting area above and immediately behind any movable damper valve plate in masonry fireplaces and steel fireplace units by one of the following methods. 1. A damper plate that can be removed with common hand tools. 2. A clean-out opening located to provide access to the smoke chamber area. As mentioned earlier, fireplace dampers are a delicate subject. There were earlier building codes that required dampers to have a volume opening of 90% of the flue area. The problem today is that the codes require the damper to be 100% of the flue area, but do not specifically address the volume as it is opened. There are several dampers that when opened are very close to the front face of the smoke chamber. This restricts draft, decreases airflow, and increases creosote buildup. Chimney sweeps and cap damper manufacturers are realizing that these dampers are not functioning properly, and most are converting to modern energy-efficient cap dampers. These new cap dampers allow easier access for cleaning and increased draft. This decreases creosote buildup and produces a better functioning fireplace. Currently, the two main types of dampers are the poker damper and the rotary damper. The poker damper is more modern and will require removal of a cotter pin to clean the chimney. The rotary damper is also another type of damper, and many times these have difficulty opening completely. Again, we always recommend replacement of all dampers that do not open 100% with energy-efficient cap dampers.